Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 43 at 80 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Government has approved the path breaking crop insurance scheme, namely Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana. For effective implementation of this scheme, I have provided a sum of rupees 1000 crores in the budget. We have to ensure that the benefit of minimum support price reaches farmers in all parts of the country. 3 specific incentives will be taken up in this year for this. First, the remaining states will be encouraged to take up decentralized procurement. Second, an online procurement system will be undertaken by the Food Corporation of India. Third, effective arrangements have been made for pulses procurement. Farmers also take up other allied activities to supplement their family income. Para change. After agriculture, I now turn to the other segments of the rural economy. A sum of rupees 3 lakh crore will be given as grant to Gram Panchayats and municipalities as per the recommendations of the 14th Finance Commission. These enhanced allocations are capable of transforming villages and small towns. Ministry of Panchayati Raj will work with the states and evolve guidelines to implement this. There is also an urgent need to focus on areas of drought and rural distress. Formation of self-help group will be developed to promote multiple livelihoods. Cluster facilitation team will be set up to ensure water conservation and natural resource management. These clusters will enhance growth centers in rural areas by providing infrastructure, amenities, and market access for the farmers. They will also expand employment opportunities for the youth. Para change. Swachh Bharat Mission is India's biggest drive to improve sanitation and cleanliness, especially in rural India. This subject was very close to the heart of Father of the Nation. For the first time since independence, the Parliament held a comprehensive debate on sanitation. This has become a topic of discussion in almost every home. We have set ranking of cities and towns as per sanitation and cleanliness, which has resulted a good competition among every city and town. We need to spread literacy to promote this mission in every village, town, and city. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.